Git like a pro. Here are the top Git commands you need to know. Git init. Initialize a new Git repository. It's like saying, hello world to Git. Git add. Stage all changes in your project. Like hitting the select all button, but for code. Git commit. Message. Save your changes with a meaningful message. It's like signing your artwork. Git branch. Branch_name. Create a new branch. Like creating a new canvas for your next masterpiece. Git checkout. Branch_name. Switch to a different branch. Like switching paints in the middle of a project. Git remote add. Remote_name URL. Connect your local repo to a remote one. Like linking your art studio to the cloud. Git push. Remote_name branch_name. Push your changes to the remote repo. Like sharing your artwork with the world. Git pull. Remote_name branch_name. Fetch changes from the remote repo. Like getting inspiration from other artists. Git reset. Hard. Undo all local changes. Like hitting the undo button, but for everything. Git log. View your commit history. Like looking at your art portfolio.